Please do me a massive favor. Do not share this video with anyone.
That's the weirdest request I've ever heard from a YouTuber. Sharing is caring, and if you share, more views will make him more money. So I guess there must be something wrong in this video. Let's keep watching.
Timing is crucial, and I don't know how long this will last. In the last couple of days, I made over $700 from this brand new side hustle that not many people are talking about.
Wait. So you made $700 in a few days, huh? My mom would call it begging with a keyboard.
You're in luck because today I'm going to share with you the secret on how you can do it too.
Question to you, mate. Why are you even sharing? Didn't you just ask not to share this video with anyone? What he is saying that you don't
have to buy anything, you don't have to sell anything.
Wait a minute. And in a few minutes he is saying,
right here, this is where I deposit my $50.
Wait, didn't you just say you don't have to buy anything or sell anything and then you deposit your $50? Mate, my eyes are rolling. Is this real? You know, I don't mind. Everybody has to do their hustle. And I love Jay Brown. He has great content, 614,000 subscribers on YouTube. He is an authority and what he shared is true. But I am an AI guy. I'm not gonna let anyone waste my time. So I have done my due diligence and studied the whole thing before making this video. This method essentially shows that you become a referrer of a bank called SoFi, or maybe Sophie. I don't know. I'm not interested in banks. In fact, I'm not interested in any kind of interest or riba because interest is completely forbidden in my religion. And I recommend everyone in my religion stay away from interest related stuff. Just hold on and stay with me. I will share with you a real business that you can build from your home without dealing with interest, without taking loans, and this is the best for people with 9 to 5. After 5 o'clock, you come back home, take a few hours rest, put in 2 hours of your time, and soon inshallah you will build your halal business that could possibly replace your job with time. So here are the steps. First, you sign up by depositing $50 of your own money and you will receive a $25 welcome bonus. Then you will receive a unique referral link. Whenever you refer someone to do the same thing that you have done, then you will receive a $75 per referral. And you can do it by using your personal contacts. And he has also shared a list of 200 free classified websites to post referral ads. What does it sound like? You're right, Ponzi scheme. First of all, it is banking and completely interest-based. Second, you are not actually adding any value to anyone's lives, not to your society, to yourself, or to anyone. All you are doing is referring more people to put their money, get a referral link, and so on and so forth. And because it is a bank, even governments will allow it. So it is a legalized Ponzi scheme, if I'm not wrong. I mean, I don't want to earn any interest-based money. I don't want to refer anyone to it. And I don't want to earn a single penny without adding value in exchange. But now it became my obligation to tell you how you can make $600. This is a screenshot of a post in a private Facebook group. Only their course buyers are in this group. Now this course essentially teaches you how to build your TikTok account. Despite the fact I have over 300,000 followers on TikTok across multiple accounts, and this is one of my biggest accounts with 288,000 followers. I keep on learning from other people's courses and mentorship programs because I know if I want to grow, I have to learn. And these community groups are a great way to know other hustlers and know other achievers, such as this guy right here. He started an account, I mean a brand new TikTok account, just a couple of days ago. And I have checked his account. He's doing an amazing job. And his videos are flying. And you know what? He got 779 followers in just a couple of days. And he already signed a client that will pay him $12,000. And it looks like another client is about to close tomorrow. What does that mean? It means he has skills and he can help rich clients solve their problems. And those clients are ready to spend money to solve their problems. And you must be curious what skill that is. I asked him and I will share his reply with you in a moment. But before that, Do you have a skill? You don't know? Then start from here. Go to a website called Upwork.com. Then go to the top right corner and click here, select jobs. Then search with anything like A and hit enter, and you will see results. These are the jobs available right now. 1,555 entry-level jobs and 10,395 intermediate-level jobs. And if you are an expert, there are 5,399 expert level jobs. You can get paid starting from less than $100, and there are more than 230 clients who are ready to pay more than $5,000. Now select 5,000 and filter only the jobs that will pay you more than $5,000. Find something that you can do. If you can't find, then find something that you want to learn. Now, among these jobs, I found one quite interesting, Python developer front end. So I want to know, are there more jobs about Python? I'll go back in the search and use Python and search for the jobs who will pay more than $5,000, and it's related to Python. And guess what? There are 169 jobs available right now that will pay you more than $5,000 to work on this Python thing. Okay guys, in case you don't know, Python is not a snake. You don't have to deal with snakes or their venoms. Python is a useful programming language. So now go to YouTube, it's free. You can literally learn anything on YouTube for free. Go and search with Python for beginners. And you will find tons and tons of great videos, completely free. This video is literally 1 hour long and got 18 million views. Can you imagine how much someone can teach in 1 hour? And it's free. Another one showing you in 10 minutes, and we can go on, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep getting jobs. Now, in order to make sure that you're really going to get job by learning what you're going to learn, go and select talent and search with Python. And now you will find talents who are doing Python related freelancing jobs, and you should look for people who got like 100% job success, charging like $30 per hour, $37 per hour, earned a lot of money. Like this guy earned $7,000. This guy earned more than $10,000. This lady right here earned $10,000. And this bro is the greatest of them all, earned more than $50,000. I get it. You might be saying, Mosh, I have a 9-to-5 job. I don't have time to learn Python or Python's Venom or any other programming language. I'm not even techie. Then my friend, you need to find something that is done for you. So somebody does 99% work for you and you do like a tiny 1% that you can enjoy. We have a 99% done for you program where we do 99% of the work for our students completely done for you. And we do it in a system called Scale. We provide our students with an AI software that they can own and sell subscriptions to the software for one-time or recurring fees and keep 100% of the profit. We do a conversion optimized sales funnel for them. It is also called automated funnel. This automated funnel does the selling on their behalf. We show them how to create AI generated content and publish on social media. It's not really without a skill. Instead, it's using AI to learn skills faster. Oh, you don't really need to learn Python or Python's Venom, whatever. Most of the times you can do what you love to do, but still make money. Our students leverage free traffic and no paid traffic for earning regular, recurring, and high ticket commissions. If you want to learn more about our program, check the link in the description for a complete training. We will share step by step what we do and how we help our beginner students with earning high ticket affiliate commissions, regular commissions like these guys. Look at my affiliates. Over 2,000 affiliates earned over $2.6 million in affiliate commissions by promoting our products, and earn subscription revenue. Like look here, $334,555 in recurring revenue. Yeah, if you're interested, check the link in the description and see the full training, how we are doing it and how we can help you as well. See you there. And if you learn how to earn $900 per day using AI and 100% done for you yoga sites, then watch this video. And if you want to earn from affiliate marketing using Pinterest, then watch this video.